I am Brent Collins, and I am the content creator here on YouTube, but I'm also a content creator. I just got a new job as a content creator for the Central Arkansas Library System. So to do what I need to do, I am going to build a TV studio. So we're building a studio. I've been given a quiet room. I'm going to show you some B-roll here in a minute. We'll take a tour real quick, but let's lay the basics. I'm going to build a live streaming studio so I can produce content faster. We'll do live to tape, talk shows, presentations, things like that, but we'll also do some live streaming. So I need the studio space to do a lot of different things, had a lot of different setups. So it's all going to be based around Apple computers and a software I like to use called Ecamm. Now Ecamm lets you kind of use your computer as a production switcher, graphics, streaming, encoding, guest comments. You can bring in guest speakers. So it kind of does everything that I needed to do, and it's my preferred method. So we're going to be building everything around that. So some of the challenges are I want to have 3 cameras. I need to have 2 or 3 sets in this one space. I'll need good mics. I need good lights, not only just house lights like these, but actually lights that I can control and spin and turn and dial down and kind of make everything perfect. I need some accent lighting, some up lighting, some colored lighting, things like that. So that is kind of the nuts and bolts of what I need. So let's see what it takes to put it together. I've already started buying some of the equipment, and I will show you that here. First of all, let's take a look at the space. So this is the 5th floor of the main library here in downtown Little Rock, and this is a small study room, or it was a study room called a quiet room. So we'll pan here real quick. I think it's about 18 by 18 if I remember my measurements right. So I've got glass over here so you can see all the books, so that'll be kind of cool. You've got glass wall here, fairly high ceilings. This table is gonna go. It's disappearing, and I'm going to have some different furniture brought in. I've already got that ordered. That chair's got to go. I'm actually going to keep this right here. This is what I've been using as a makeshift interview desk, and I'll be using this as a makeshift command center for all the setup stuff. So this is what we're working with. Hopefully we'll get some scissor clip spuds that I can put up into the ceiling, brackets there, and I can actually hang lights and cables and kind of dress everything off the floor. But let's look at some of this stuff that we picked out here. So I got the NAN light tubes. These are RGB, so there'll be some colored tubes that I can put in the scene behind. I really feel like I can light up that wall there. It'll be really nice. I'll have like a talk show set over here. I'll have like a news desk over there. I'm going to do a podcast table with microphones. That whiteboard's going to go. We're going to put like a big screen TV. So that'll be your podcast, YouTube kind of 2 people, 4 people, up to 4 people facing each other. So some of the things we have to think about. Number 1 is tripods for the cameras. I went with these Liebeck tripods, and I got the skates to go with them. So that way I can roll things around and move them around. I've got 3 setups, but I only got 2 cameras. I got another one on order. Let's see. Gonna connect it all to my Mac with the Elgato Cam Link. There's that. A bunch of cables. We got Stream Deck. Oh, there we go. There's some XLR cables. So we got the Stream Deck. That'll be very important to control the scenes and everything. Now, the base for all this really is, so we got there's the skates. Put the skates over here. And really the basis for everything is going to be this right here. The Rodecaster Pro is where I'm going to start doing everything. So actually that is going to go over here. If I can hold it with one hand on this desk here, that'll kind of be the place I start. I've got 2 cameras. I got a third on order, but B&H wouldn't let me order 2 at a time. These are the Panasonic HCX 1500s. They're 4K HDMI. That'll be perfect. I got 2 SM7Bs and I got 2 MV7s. Now, why the 2 different ones? I love the SM7B. It is great. It is, the creme de la creme of microphones, but it's XLR only. This one's actually USB, has a USB, and XLR. So if I have 4 guests on the podcast, the guests will use these. The host can use the SM7Bs. But I also have people that want to work from their desk, or I have to interview from their desk. They could grab this and take it to their desk and use the USB. It gives me a little bit of flexibility. I got some mic stands there for the microphones, and I think that'll get us started. So that's the basic start of everything. Like I said, I've been ordering stuff over the last couple of weeks. Things are starting to come in. There are a few things I need. I need to order the computer to control it all. For now, I'll be using my MacBook Pro. I need to get a bigger USB hub, something like the OWC or the CalDigit hub, to power all of these devices. But I'll keep following up along the way as I build this out. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel here, notify the bell, and I'll let you know when I'm going live. And I'm going to try to document more of this as I go, in case you're trying to build a bigger studio, or you're at a place of work and you want to show your boss, hey, this place is doing it. You can hopefully point to us when I have it all finished. It'll be great. It'll be a lot of fun. So stay tuned.